The final tool we'll need for React development is a code editor. The web has a ton of code editors out there for you to find, but some of the most popular ones and two of my personal favorites include Atom, which GitHub openly supports, and Sublime, which many other developers use. Now, I use both editors for different reasons, but I primarily develop in React with Atom. Now, you can edit in any editor you like. You can even use TextEdit or Xcode, but I highly recommend either Atom or Sublime because of their formatting, which helps make life much easier as software engineers. Yet, downloading Atom comes with a very neat feature. It automatically creates a symlink onto your system, which allows you to open applications from the terminal. So, opening projects becomes as quick as typing atom dot within a current directory or atom test directory, for example, when out of one to open it. Now, we can easily open projects in a code editor by dragging the files or folder icons onto the editor icon, just like so. But launching a project in an editor using the terminal feels like engineering magic, so just in case you want to do so with Atom and it's not working yet, or Sublime even, let me show you how to hook up your terminal settings to do just so. So, like I said, Atom should automatically create that symlink for you. So let's test it out if we can actually open Atom first within our terminal. Go to your applications folder, find the Atom app, go to its contents, its resources, find the app folder, and then atom.sh. Then go ahead and open the current directory that you want. Now, as you can see, Atom launches for us. So what we're going to do is create a symlink on our terminal that allows us to run this command with a very shortened command whenever we want to open Atom. And you could do so by typing this very long thing every time, but the symlink shortens down that command significantly for us. So to do so, type ln and s, and then go ahead and write out that whole command. And then type /user/local/bin, which should be your path variable, and then type /atom. So the last one after the slash is that command you'll want. Then, mine says file exists because I already have this symlink set up. However, if we run atom dot afterwards, once you do yours, you'll notice the same behavior where your code editor launches from the terminal. We can do the same thing with Sublime. So we can link Sublime and say you have Sublime installed. Now for Sublime, you also need to go to Applications. You'll find the Sublime text app, go to Contents, Shared Support, you find the bin, and then the launching command is subl within here. And then once again, find your local path environment variable, and then do Sublime or SBL, whatever you like. And my file exists because I already have this symlink, so now I can use Sublime dot, and we see the same behavior, but with Sublime. So now that we have this engineering magic hooked up to our terminal, and we have everything prepared for developing React projects, let's move on to actually starting one.